Welcome. In this quick video, we'll walk through how you can register for district-wide Tier 1 curriculum professional learning sessions at your regional site for October 10th. Let's take a look at a few details on our overview tab that are important. Why are we grouped in cohorts? Well, we've grouped teachers into cohorts based on your teaching role and content area. This allows PD to be more targeted and meaningful, especially if you teach more than one subject, and helps to clarify where you will be attending district-wide professional learning. Let's click into the K-8 Start tab. Here, you will find on the first column what row corresponds most with what you teach. Look directly in the second column to find your cohort. Take note of that cohort, as this will be essential to all of the following steps. In the third column, you will find your professional development focus for October 10th. The PD focus assigned to your cohort has been predetermined, and it is essential that you attend the PD that is specified for your cohort at the site of your cohort only. Otherwise, you could be taking someone's seat. Click on the column that corresponds with your network next. If you're not sure what network your school is in, click the Here link at the top of the page. Teachers in the Cross-School Learning Program or who teach in grades K through 8 in the Academy of Continued Education program should follow the links for networks 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 15, and Opportunity. If you happen to be an Opportunity Network school who does not have a Power School access, no problem. Use this document to determine where to attend PD. You will be added on the back end to receive Act 48 credits. Let's now dig into the K-8 Info tab. Take a look at Step 1. Scroll down and find the row that matches what you teach. Identify your cohort. You'll need that for registration. Find out where your session is happening. And Step 3, note the topic for October 10th. Step 5, you're going to click the link in your row to register for October 10th. Be mindful that you are clicking the correct cohort and the correct network that is specified and or grade band that's specified. After you're all registered, you're going to go to the Parking Information tab for some new and improved information. Each row of the table below reflects the PD site and instructions for parking both at the PD site and at nearby schools for additional parking. You will see a note in blue font that shows networks assigned to the parking lots. If your assigned parking lot and streets are full, you may park at one of the additional parking locations for that PD site. You will see a note in green font that gives specific parking instructions to each site. Please follow them. Yellow school buses will be available to shuttle participants from parking locations to the PD site when distance requires it. You will need your employee ID to enter the bus. Now that we've talked about parking, let's keep in mind that we want to know what to bring to the session. In order to do that, you're going to head back to the K-8 Start Here tab and scroll down in the What Materials Do I Need to Bring section. Take note of what you need to bring and please come prepared on October 10th. We thank you so much for your time. And that's it. We're going to follow those steps, register for October 10th, and we look forward to seeing you on October 10th. Have a great rest of your day.